Hello everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. It's a great presentation. Let's see how we can create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In this new slide we need to create this effect. So how we can create that? For that we need to insert some triangles, then rotate them, create some copy of them until get some look like this, you see here. And after doing that, we select all of them and make them one shape, and then insert a triangle, rectangle, and make them one shape. Then insert another rectangle and select these two and make them fragment, as you can guess. After doing that, we select these two and make them one shape again. Now we bring these two front, and after that we recolor the outline. Then we select this thing, format shape, go to shadow and give it some shadow and bring it to round. Okay, it's good. Now for the color, we are going to use the dark blue we used. Copy the text. The text is created using Overdrive Sunset font. Now copy that, bring this out, and recolor the shape to the dark blue we have, bring it up, copy the text, paste it here, set the transition to morph, and your slide is ready. Let's have a look. It looks pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and like and subscribe please. Have a nice time.